Hi everyone! Today we're going to be unboxing the Microchip Wi-Fi Smart Enablement Board. Let's have a look inside. This development board enables developers to rapidly prototype a design that can be controlled through the Alexa ecosystem or used as a general 802.11n Wi-Fi development platform. Think of this as a thing in Internet of Things that is connected to the Alexa cloud and receives commands and sends sensor data. The development board has the MCU, Wi-Fi, secure element and motion, environmental and light sensors, as well as the software APIs and teaching resources to connect into the Alexa ecosystem. Additionally, Microchip provide a reference project and guidance on how to develop the required Alexa skill. So, who's this for? This device is for design engineers and makers who are interested in developing a product that works inside the Alexa ecosystem. This solution is also suitable for use as a complete Wi-Fi development board for any Wi-Fi project. So, what other products does it work with? This board has multiple headers for developers to customize the hardware for their specific application. On the board, there is an ECC608 secure element, SAML21 low power MCU, WINC1510 Wi-Fi module, MCP73833 and MIC517 analog power products, as well as motion, environmental and light sensors. There are some pretty cool industrial applications for this project too. Microchip actually deployed over 35 of these in a large conference centre over the last 2 years. They measured temperature and other environmental characteristics and sent the data to the cloud, meaning it could be viewed on a mobile device or displayed on a monitor. These low-power, Wi-Fi controllable devices meet exacting industry standards, make them suitable for use in your smart home, with or without Alexa, and, you guessed it, industry. If you want to get a flavour of what this Microchip development board can do, check out some of the tutorials in the links below.